Hey everyone, I'm meteorologist Hannah Dennis, and we have been seeing quite a bit of rain from the past 24 hours. These are some of those observed rainfall totals that came in around 7 a.m. this morning. So you can see Altoona saw almost 2 inches of rain, and then you can see those totals kind of lingered anywhere between 1 to almost 2 inches across a lot of the cities out there. So we saw a decent amount of rain, and we are still going to be getting rain. In fact, looking at the next 24 hours, you can see our chances are going to be going up as we go into those overnight hours and steadily increase throughout the day going through tomorrow. So we are still going to see some more rain. We're still going to see those totals start to rise across the state as we are starting out a new week. So let's go through Futurecast to see what we are going to be looking at. Going through tonight, you can see that a cluster of showers and some storms is going to be moving across the state. They are not going to be severe, but there is going to be some rumbles of thunder out there, so you may get woken up by them if you are trying to be sleeping in these early morning hours. They'll move through. We'll have a few more scattered showers throughout the night, and then as we're going into Monday afternoon, that's when those showers become widespread once again. We'll see those start to move through the state, and it'll be a hit or miss for a lot of us going throughout the day on Monday. But as we go from Monday night into Tuesday, things start to increase, and those showers start to linger into Tuesday morning. This is looking at Tuesday close to 6 a.m. So for anyone that is going to be going out for voting on election day, you might want to be grabbing a jacket if you plan on getting out there in the morning, because we are going to see the rain linger around until we get into the afternoon hours. And you can see once we hit Tuesday afternoon, things are turning dry for a majority of the state. So if you're going to be out there early, make sure you have a raincoat on, and then you might just want to have a light jacket afterwards, because it is going to be a bit on the chilly side. As we go on through the rest of Tuesday and into Wednesday, those clouds will clear, and we'll start to see the sun a little bit more going in Wednesday, but those clouds and rain will be returning. But going from now all the way into Tuesday, we are still looking at a very widespread 1 to maybe 2 inches or more across the state, on top of all the rain that we have already received. So our drought monitor is going to see a lot of improvements this week, which is some good news, but we still have to deal with the rain for a couple more days. As far as temperatures go, things are still going to be above average. It's going to feel cooler, definitely feel more like fall, but it's still on that above average range for the next 8 to 14 days at least. And then you see out west, that area of those cooler temperatures is starting to get a little bit bigger and move more towards the east. So hopefully we get to see those average temperatures as we're getting closer to the month of December, but until then, things are still going to be on the warmer side. Tonight, some storms are going to be possible, 58 degrees for your low. There may even be some patchy fog out there, so be careful if you're out on the roads tonight. And then tomorrow, 66 degrees. Those showers are going to build throughout the day. Some thunder is possible, but we're mainly looking at rain once again. Looking at the next 7 days, Tuesday, a little bit on the chilly side. We're looking at 55 degrees for the high. Starting out with rain, then things turn dry, then rain returns going into this following weekend. Unfortunately, it does look like it's going to be that cold rain, kind of what we're going to be seeing going into Tuesday, but it's not going to be a washout like it kind of was this weekend. We'll dry out going into next week, but those temperatures are steadily staying in those 50s to low 60s, so we can definitely put away all of our summer clothes and start getting out those more winter clothes as we are seeing these temperatures start to get a little bit cooler.